First of all, welcome to Jazzy Jenn's Highway, and I'm so glad you came. Now, I'm Jenn. I have short MicroLocs, right? Now, we're going into the new year, and I wanted to do something new, okay? I went to my stylist, Miss Letitia, and she braided it into a ponytail, basically. You see how long it is? And this is the hair that I have in my hair. See, it has a rubber band on it. It comes like this. Okay, came in a bundle like this. It's maybe 6 or so. It's just basically a braided braid, and she connected another pack right here because of course it wasn't long enough, so she had to connect it somewhere right here. See, that's why it's sort of kind of not even right there, but it's okay. We'll make do. And just kind of at the ends. And when I'm going around, most people are looking at my hair. They don't really know if it's my hair or not, so it is not their business. I'm going to show you how to create 3 different looks. So first hairstyle we're going to do is a bun. You could do this. You could just simply wrap it around. And voila. Of course, you'll stick some bobby pins in it to secure. And that is your second look. I haven't put any pins in it yet. It seems like it's holding pretty sturdy. Okay. This next look, I'm just going to pin it up some kind of way in the back. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I just basically took this braid up, looped it up. I'm going to push it together and pin it together into something. The tail, I just kind of tucked it in. Okay, now this is my third hairstyle. I just took everything down and I put it back in my hair, and I also used some pins to secure it as well. You know, these are in now, so if you want to add this to it, boom! Woo! What type of hairstyles do you think that I can create with this look? I like to know, because I kind of like this, and I may just do this again. So if you have another idea, girl, let me know, because baby, it's a new year. I need a new look and a new flow. Okay, happy new year to you guys, and I will see you next year. Bye, babes.
Girl, this is a deal, because you buy one hairstyle for the price of 1, 2, and 3. Free. Thanks for watching. And as always, make sure that you subscribe to Jazzy Jenn's Highway, because I'll be having more MicroLoc content and beauty tips.